Good morning students. Today's class we are going to start with our new exercise 3.2. Okay, in last class what we have discussed? We have discussed about mean, median and mode. Yes? In last exercise we have worked out the problems of arithmetic mean. But in this exercise we are going to deal with mode as well as median. Okay, so just we are going to deal with the problems. Last class we have discussed about the method and here we are going to deal with the problems of the exercise. Okay, so what is the first problem? The scores in mathematics test out of 25 of 15 students is as follows. So what they have given? They have given the scores of the 15 students in a mathematics test. Okay, so 19, one student have got 19, another student have got 25. Likewise, these are the marks of the 15 students. Find the mode and median of this data. What we should find? We should find the mode, median of this data. Are they same? After finding both the values, we have to check whether our mode and median are same. Okay, so first, what is meant by mode? Do you remember the definition of the mode? Yes, the observation which is repeated most often. Okay, so we are going to find the mode for this question. So mode, can we calculate it which is repeated most often? Yes, check once children. What are the values are repeated? See, 25 is repeated 1, 2 times. Okay, 25 is repeated how many times? 2 times. Next, 20 is repeated 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Upper 20 is repeated how many times? 4 times. Next. That's all. The most repeated is 20 because the number 20 is repeated 4 times. So, we are going to write the mode as number 20. What is our mode value children? 20. Listen. Because here 25 is also repeated and 20 is also repeated, but the 20 is repeated most often. So we are writing the mode value as 20. Next what we are going to find? We are going to find the median. So before going to find the median, what you will do? You should arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Arranging the data in ascending order. I am going to arrange them in ascending order. So shall we start arranging these data in ascending order? So ascending order means what? Small to big, is it? So in this, which is small? 5, 9, 10 is there? Yes, 10, 11, 12. 12 is there. 13 is there. No. 14. No. 15. 16. Yes. 17 is not there. 18 is not there. 19. Then 20 is 4 times. It will be written 20. Then 21 is there. No. 22 is there. No. 23. Yes. 23 is repeated only one time, right? Yes. Next 24. Next 25. 2 times it is written. Is there any other thing? That's all. Just count and see whether 15 values are written. Just count it and see children whether 15 values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, so all the data are arranged in ascending order. Now, you take a pencil. Okay, after taking the pencil, you can find the median. 15. How many data are here? totally we have 15 data, 15 observations you have, right? So in this observation, if the number of observation is odd, what is your median? The middle value is your median. Do you remember this? Yes, when the number of observation is odd, the middle value is your median. So shall we, this is number of observations how much? 15. So we are going to find the middle value. Middle value how to find? Like this, you can cross it, children. First to last like that, you can cross it, okay? If you are crossing here, last you should cross. Crossing here, last you should cross. So it will be very easy. In pencil, lightly you can do. Don't do it darkly. Okay, so what is the center value now? 20. So that is your median. Therefore, our median is what? 20, because 20 is our middle value. So since observation is number of observation is odd, we are taking the middle value as your median. Are they same? Yes. Median and mode, both the values are 20. So yes, both mode and median are same. Okay. So you should answer for all the 3 questions. Find the mode, now you should find the mode. Median means you should find the median. Are they same means we have to write that conclusion also. If this is missing, you won't get full marks. Okay, children? Next is your second question. The second question is also same as like first question. Okay, now shall I read the question? You can see in the textbook, children, okay? The runs scored in a cricket match by 11 players is as follows. So what they have given? They have given the runs of the players who have scored, who have played in that cricket match. Okay, so what is the scores? 6, 15, 120, 50, 100, 80, 10, 15, 8, 10, 15. Find the mean, mode and median of this data. In last time what they have given, they said to find mode and the median. But in this question they asked you to find all the 3. Mean, median and mode. Are the 3 same? Then we have to find the answer for all the 3 and you should check whether all the 3 are same. So first what shall I find it? Shall I find the mode? Yes, that is easy. Okay. So I am going to find the mode for this data. Children, see your textbook for the question. Now, which is repeated most often? Check it, children. Just check it, which is repeated most often here. 15 is repeated 1, 2 times, 3 times. Okay. 15 is repeated how many times? 1, 2, 3. Next. Is there any other thing repeated? 10. 1, 2 times only 10 is repeated. So don't want. Our mode is what? 15. So because 15 is repeated 3 times and 10 is repeated 2 times. So you should see the repeated most often. So our mode is what? 15. Next, what shall we find it? Median. Median, what you will do for finding the median? What you will do? Arranging the data in ascending order. You can arrange in descending order also, no problem. Ascending order, but do it properly. Okay, so I am just going to arrange it, children. You check it. 6, 8, 10, 10, because 10 is repeated 2 times. So you should write both the value also. Then 15, 15, 15, because 15 is repeated 3 times. Then 50, then 80, then 100, then 120. Check how many scores are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, all are correct. So I have arranged in the ascending order. Now take a pencil and you can, what you will do, you will take the middle value because our number of observation is 11. 11 is what number? Odd number. So middle value is your median. 1, 2, 3. Cancel like this and go, children. So what is the middle value now? 15. So just slightly you can write, that's enough. So middle value is what? 15. Therefore our median is 15. Okay. Next, what you should find? Arithmetic mean, or you can write mean alone. What is the formula for mean? Sum of all observations divided by number of observations. Okay, so what is just saying? Sum of all observation divided by number of observations. So shall I add all the observation now? 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 10 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 50 plus 80 plus 100 plus 120 divided by 11. So because our number of observation is what? 11 observations are there. Shall I add all those things now? Yes. 50 plus 15 plus 15, 30. 30 plus 10, 40. 50, 100, 200, 300, 400, 414. Okay, what is the answer? 414 divided by 11. See, once again you can add and see, children. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 30, 50. 50 plus 50, 100. 100 plus 100, 200. 320. 320 plus 80, 400. 400 plus 14, 414. 115 is there that I left. Okay, 429. Okay, so not 414, it is 429. Okay, so what is our sum of all observation? 429. Whether I have left any values now? No, divided by 11. So shall we do the 11th division? 11 3s are 33. 11 9s are 99. So what is the answer we are getting? 39. So what is our mean is? 39. Okay. Whether all the mean, median, mode all are same? No. No. All the three are not same. Okay, you should write this conclusion also. No, all the three are not same. Okay, children. Next is your third question. Okay, so now we are going to deal with the third question. The weights in kg of 15 students of a class are, they have given the weights of 15 students. One student is 38 kg, 42 kg, 35 kg. Like that for 15 students they have given. Find the mode and median of this data. What you should find? Mode as well as median. Is there more than one mode? They are asking whether there are more than one mode. Yes, in some question, in example problem we have dealt with some example problem, right? In that example problem we have find there are two modes for the question, because if a number is repeated, one number is repeated 4 times and another number is also repeated 4 times, then both the numbers are mode for that question, right? So the same way we are going to do the problem. Find the mode and median of this data. So first what you will do? Find the mode. Okay, now just going to count which is repeated most often. Okay, 38 3 times it is repeated. What? Just write it in pencil here, da. 38 3 times. Okay, next 42. No, it is not repeated. 35. No. 45. No. 50. No. 32. No. 43. 1 2 3. Above 43 also 3 times. Okay, this is also 3 times. This is also 3 times. 40. No. 36. No. No, that's all. So here 38 is also repeated 3 times. 43 also repeated 3 times. Therefore, what are the modes for this question? 38 and 43. Mode is 38 and 43 because you should write the reason. Because 38 and 43 repeated 3 times. Okay, you should write like that. So we have you find the mode for the question. Yes, now what should we want to find? Median. So what you should do? Arranging the given data. Arranging the data in ascending order. What you are going to do? We are going to arrange that in ascending order. So shall we start? Yes, what is the lowest value now? 32. Next, 33 is there. Check, children, please check it. You can itself write it. Okay, 35, 36, 37, 38 3 times it is repeated. So I am writing 3 times. Next, 39 is there. No. 40 it is there. 41 it is there. No. 42 it is there. Next, 43 3 times it is repeated. 43, 43, 43. Next, 44 it is there. No. 45 it is there. Yes. Next, 46. No. 47. Yes, that's all, I think so. Now shall we count it and see whether 15 students are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1 is missing. So shall we do again one random checking? 42 is there, 43. 50 is there, children. Okay, so after 47, 50 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes, over. So now I have arranged them in ascending order. Okay, I have just arranged them in ascending order. So now what you will do, since the number of observations how much? 15. So the middle value is your median. 1, I am just going to cancel like this. So what is the middle value? 40. So what is the median now? Median is 40. So what is your mode? 38 and 43. What is your median? 40. Next, what is it? Now this is our first subdivision. So I have solved the first subdivision. I have find the mode also. I have find the median also. Is there more than one mode? Yes. Here, yes, we have more than one mode in this question. Okay, yes, we have more than one mode in this question. Because why? 38 and 43 repeated 3 times. Okay, children, next your fourth question and fifth question is your homework. Fifth question you can do it in your textbook itself because it is a true or false. Fourth question alone you can do it in your homework note. Fourth question is what? Just finding the mode and the median. As like the same problem you can find it. Okay, I hope you all understood, children. Thank you.